My name is David, and we're WeatheringtonPhoto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to format the memory card for the Sony A5100. I took some photos real quick on my desk, and my paw print, my dog's paw print, and the mouse, and then I took them just to see if I could still send the photos and videos over to the cell phone, which I was able to. I'll do another video about that later, but right now I'm going to show you how to format the memory card. And I encourage you to format the memory card every time you start a shoot. When you put the memory card in, just format it. You'll be in the habit of doing it. It's real simple. It's 2 steps. Hit the menu. We're going to go to Setup, and then we're going to go to tab number 4. You hit tab number 4, and you will hit Enter right there, and then that will format your memory card. And format just gets the memory card ready to go for the camera at the time. Sometimes you can run into compatibility issues where you take the memory card out of the Nikon D3300, flop it over into the A5100, and an corruptible file, whatever technicalities. But the habit, format the card every time you put it in and you start shooting with it. That way it's ready to go for you. I do it with all of my memory cards for every session, no matter what, unless I'm just going out to have fun. But that's how you do it. Real easy. Hit menu, Setup, tab number 4, format. Alright, so if you guys have any more questions, be sure to reach out, let me know, and I would love to help you out and answer them for you. Thank you.